Hi, good morning. This is Pradeep from USS English Speaking Classes and wish you Happy New Year, all of you. This New Year, all person are decide any goals, any vision, any achievements. I hope, I wish you can achieve this. So much people are decide different type of goals, different type of vision. So student are decide I want to become IS, I want to become IS officer, I want to become police, I want to become doctor, I want to become best officer, whatever you are doing planning. I hope you will decide, so definitely you can achieve. So much people are doing some business start from this new year, so definitely that will be you will be achieve. I wish you. And these classes start this again. I was classes These classes I was start from the few months, but again I want to join this new year. I am also decide I make the one batch. What this year also I'm decide some planning with this week, this year I decide some goal. So what is my goal? Whatever my friend with are staying with or connect with me, their friend want to speak in English, so I will be support, and I hope I give you guarantee also they speak perfectly English. But what is your weak point? First I tell you, your understand English. Other person you are speaking with, you can understand, but you can't reply that. Why you not reply that? I give you example. When you go in the bank, when you receive the amount in bank, 5,000, 10,000, whatever you are received in bank, then bank when you require that money, so when you put the ATM in the bank, so whatever your amount in the bank, that amount you can receive. You have 10,000, you can receive 10,000. You have 10,000 and you are trying to 11,000, you can't receive that. Because why? You have only 10,000. Like that, you have whatever knowledge, that knowledge you can share with you, but you don't have knowledge, you can't share it with you. So today I will be start the how you can gain the knowledge. Like I give you example. If you want to drive the car, so how you can drive the car? You reading the book through, you reading one by one page. What I want to do, I want to open the drawer, open the door and sit in the four wheeler. Then I have to put the key. I want to start the car, and I want to push the clutch, brake, accelerator. Then I can start the drive. That through you can learn. No. So what you want to do? You want to learn the four wheeler, so that you have to do the practice. The practically you can drive properly. Like English speaking also, you need to the practice daily. I'm not saying you are spend so much time for the speaking. You have to spend selected time whenever you will be possible, because all these are richer person how to achieve goal. That person also available was time the 12 hours in days. So that hours they achieve the goal, because they was planning some doing the planning. That's why you need to make some planning for the change your language, change your personality. And what I'm saying, listen, when I was 2007 and 8, I was go for the interview. That time I faced the problem. What was the problem? I was knowledge about it. That time I was the completed computer hardware networking. I was knowledge how I can to assembling this computer within half an hour. I want to total assembling this computer, but I can't share my knowledge in English. So that was my weak point. So that's why I'm starting. Whatever your knowledge, you have knowledge, but now this now what is the freedom means what is a metro life. This metro life you want to change your language, because some people, I give you example. Last time was box TV, now update that TV, now come the flat TV. Last time was the keyboard mobile, now come to the Android mobile. Or systems are changed, so why not you are changing your personality? So that personality, you have to push up yourself. How you can push? You have to daily you have to connect with 1 hours with me. How I can push yourself? I teach you daily. And I teach you from basic level for English. Like I will start from the tenses, grammar. I will be teach from the first level, and you don't think I am education is complete. So why we are teaching the basic zero levels? When you're thinking, okay, I'm already done that grammar, so don't think you have to teach. So you feel I am student, I want to learn whatever I am teaching. You teach properly. I can't give you certificate you are completed our English speaking. So you give me certificate. I can speak perfect English. I hope you will support me. So no, whatever. Okay, I one thing I will tell you. You are thinking, Array, I am joining this class, but I want how much I want to pay this amount. So don't think about. First, you join this class. You attend a 1 month class. You feel better, so you can continue. You not feel so no issue. But whatever I give you suggestion, you not join these classes, then also what do you think for your improve your language? Daily you have to start whatever you are doing, whatever place you are working, because some people, so much people in this group, like students also they are, job people worker also they are, engineer also they are, doctors also they are, housewife also they are. So all person are in this group. So all person, what you want to do for improve our language, you have to start in thinking in English daily. Whenever you are place working, you are working in office, you with your colleagues, you try to communication speak in English. I'm not saying you have to speak communicate with your colleagues in perfect speak in English. You can try broken language also. Okay, whatever you understand, because daily routine, whatever doing, you selected word you can't remind. So I gain your vocabulary daily, whatever your daily routine, like you morning time to still night, what you want to say in English. First you are wake up early morning, I brush. After that, I take a breakfast. Then I work shift to court. Then I'm getting ready for the office. After that, I go in the office. My whatever your working time, 8 hours, 10 hours, and whatever your business person is working, 10 hours, yeah, 12, whatever hours is a business person. So you have to start in thinking in daily whatever your place working. Then you return from office, then also think in a return from office in train, in by bus, by whatever your other car and four-wheeler, that through also you are return from that place in at home. Then you receive in a home. Then what you are doing, you are fresh. After that, wash your hand, because COVID position also available. So you first of all wash your hand. Then or whatever you are doing planning, you are taking breakfast or you are watching the serial or newspaper. Then you evening time, so in night time you are taken the dinner. After whatever you sleep timing 10, so you can say I am sleep at 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock. That is your daily routine. So small things you have to start and think in English. Then I give you guarantee also, definitely you will be speak. So please whatever you goal decide in your life now, because new year almost person are making vision in goal. So you also making this goal. So I give you again, I say I give you guarantee also, you definitely you will be speaking English, because so much people are joined in this group. So much people are whatever my planning. I first of all also, last week also I was telling you my vision is you want to speak with me perfect English, because now this conditional you are speak perfect English. So whatever you are go, definitely you will be get the job. You are going city, I give you guarantee, definitely you will be get the job better, because already you with have best certificate also, your education certificate you have. With that you need to the English. So I'm not saying you have to wait any other person will be come and teach you, because now why I'm starting these classes, because at your home, I'm not saying you are come at a home at a whatever my place, you are come and join this class. I'm not saying whatever you place you are staying at home, at office, there also join this class, and you can attend my class. If you're not possible, so I'll be send the link also. Whatever I am taken lesson, I make that video and send on group, so you can attend that also. So please, if you achieve, because what you are doing, some people are decide, are I am starting these classes, okay, so daily I will attend that through I will be teach. So not, I will show you. I'm not saying, I'm not saying you can speak directly with me. You have to try, you have to try daily. Some I give you daily practice for the give topic also. First I will teach you your basic point is tense, that's helping words, how you can communicate other people. I give you different type lesson also. I will be take GD also, like group discussion also, that through you can improve. Because what we are doing, so much people are observing, thinking also, observing also कि other side you will be go for the English speaking classes, they are taking so many charges, like English speaking classes start from the 5-6 thousand, 10,000 about that. Because if you search online, so you check that how much amount you want to pay. So I'm not saying you have to pay so much amount. You have to just focus. When I join the class, when I start the class, you don't say whatever time, what time I will be taken the class. You focus whatever timing you are focused on this class, then definitely you can learn perfect. Okay, and I hope again wish you happy new year, and whatever you goal achieve, you definitely you can achieve. And I hope you will support with me daily. I'm saying you have to spend 1 hours with me, but whatever timing you are get timing 10 or 15 minutes you have to spend daily. Daily. I'm not saying you live in your job. With job you have to do the practice 10 to 15 minutes. At least 10 to 15 minutes. I'm not showing so much time. Okay, so that is your small thing through you can improve your personality and your communication skill. You can speak best English. Okay, and thanks for watching this video. Okay, please and continue.